Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Talkfinity English. Here, learning English is simple and fun. I'm Mia.
Hi, Mia, and hi to all our great listeners. It's wonderful to be here with you today.
Yes, it is. How are you feeling today, Henry?
I'm feeling good, thanks. The sun is out and I have my coffee. I'm glad. What about you?
I'm glad too. I'm thrilled because we have a fantastic subject for everybody today.
Oh, a fantastic subject. I enjoy that. What will we discuss?
Today, we'll discuss something key for all people learning English: how to speak to anybody with self-assurance.
Wow, that's an awesome subject, Mia. Self-assurance is very key. At times, it can seem a bit hard.
Yes, it can, but we're here to assist. We have some simple ideas to make it enjoyable.
That seems wonderful. I'm prepared.
I am too, but hold on. Before we begin, we want to ask for a little help from you.
Please take a second to join our channel.
Yes, do that. And remember to like this show. A big thumbs up.
And if possible, share it with your friends and relatives. It makes our channel bigger and we thank you a lot.
Yes, we do. Okay, about self-assurance. Where do we begin, Mia?
We begin tiny, Henry. Really, really tiny. You don't have to be perfect.
I approve tiny. Tiny is fine. I like tiny. What does start tiny mean?
Well, you can begin with only one word and a grin.
One word. Which word?
Hello.
Hello. I can say that. That's a simple word.
It is. And when you say hello, include a large, kind grin. A grin is a language everyone knows. It means, I'm kind, it's fine to chat with me.
That's very correct. When somebody grins at me, I feel calmer.
Right. So that's your first move. Say hello and grin. You can try this in a store, with someone nearby, any place.
Okay. I have my hello and my grin. That's good. What's after that?
The next move is to ask a really easy question.
An easy question? Such as, how are you?
Yes, great. How are you is a nice and kind question.
So I say hello, I grin, and then I ask, how are you?
That's right. Look, you're already doing a short chat. Well done.
Wow, I am. That feels nice. Are there more easy questions I can use?
Oh, yes. A good subject is the weather. It changes often and is simple to discuss.
The weather. I enjoy that. So I can say, it's a good day today.
Yes, right. Or you can ask something like, is it chilly outside?
Or it's really bright today, right?
That's a fine one, Henry. It's easy, kind, and everybody thinks something about the weather.
This is fine. I don't need many words to chat about the weather.
No way. You only need some basic words. That's the main point. Begin with what you know already.
That helps me feel better. What about our appearance when we chat? Our body.
A great question. How your body acts is very key for self-assurance.
So what do I do? Do I stand straight and high?
Yes. Try to stand high. Pull your shoulders back. It helps you seem and feel more sure.
Okay. Shoulders back like a hero.
Yes, become a chat hero.
And don't look at the ground or your feet.
Okay, I won't chat with my feet. I'll look at the person. Is it fine to look in their eyes?
It is. Looking in eyes is good. Don't stare hard, just look for a short time. It shows you're paying attention and hearing.
Okay, so stand high, look in their eyes, and grin. I can keep that in mind.
That's good. And what about your hands?
My hands. Sometimes I hide them in my pockets when I'm worried.
Lots of people do that. But try to keep hands out of pockets. It makes you seem more welcoming and calm.
So just keep my hands by my sides?
Yes, or move them a bit when you speak. It can help show things and seem more involved.
Okay. Open body, open chat. I like that.
Yes, right. So you've said hello and asked a question. What happens next?
I must hear the reply.
Yes, you're a top learner, Henry. Hearing might be the biggest part of a chat.
Really? Bigger than speaking?
I believe so. When you truly hear someone, they feel valued. They enjoy chatting with you more.
That is logical. So I don't have to plan my next words. I just hear.
That's the trick. Just stay calm and hear what they say.
But Mia, what if I don't get their words? That's a large concern for me.
And it's a concern for many who are learning. But don't stress. It's totally fine if you don't get it.
It is? I think I did bad if I don't get it.
No, not really. Learning a language is like a trip. It's fine to ask for aid. What can I say?
You can say, sorry, can you say that again, please? It's a kind and helpful saying.
Sorry, can you say that again, please? I need to practice that.
Yes, or you can say, can you talk a bit slower, please? People are often glad to assist.
That's nice to learn. It removes the stress. It's fine to ask for aid.
It's better than fine. It shows you value the chat.
This is all wonderful, but I still feel a bit worried to try. Where's a good spot to try?
You can try in spots with little stress. Very simple spots.
Like chatting with my dog?
Your dog hears well, for sure, but I meant a place for coffee.
A place for coffee? Explain more.
When you buy coffee, you can try. Say hello to the worker at the desk.
Ah, and I can grin.
Yes, and say, one coffee, please. And when they hand you the coffee, say, thanks. Enjoy your day.
That's a whole chat, but it's very brief and easy. I can do it.
Sure you can. And each time you do, your self-assurance grows a bit.
What's one more good spot?
The grocery store is another. When paying, grin and say hello to the worker.
Just a tiny kind time.
These are fine thoughts. Small daily times are great for trying. No stress. Right. Each little chat is a small win for your self-assurance.
I enjoy that. A small win. What if I want to be more kind? What else can I say?
Oh, you could say something nice to someone.
Something nice? You mean a kind word?
Yes, people enjoy getting a kind word. It makes them happy.
What's an easy kind word?
It can be very basic, like, I like your shirt, or that's a nice shade on you.
I like your watch. Is that fine?
That's ideal. It's basic, kind, and nice.
And what do I do when they say thanks?
You can just grin or say, no problem. A grin is always a fine answer.
The grin is my top pal in chatting.
It truly is. It fixes many issues.
Mia, I have one more large concern. Errors. I am so afraid of a grammar error.
Ah, this is the top fear for many learners. But I want to share a hidden tip.
A hidden tip? What is it?
Errors are your pals.
My pals? I don't believe they are pals. They scare me.
No, hear me. When you do an error, it shows you're attempting. It shows you're learning and improving. It's positive.
I never saw it like that. An error is positive.
Yes, an error proves you're bold enough to speak. And really, most folks won't see small errors.
Truly. The aim of a chat is to link with someone. The aim is sharing ideas, not being perfect.
Sharing ideas, not being perfect. I'll note that. I love it.
Do that. Don't let fear of errors stop you from speaking. Just do your best. That's enough always.
I'll attempt to be bold. It helps to hear you say it.
Sure. Every person who speaks a language started as a newbie. They all did errors. That's how we learn.
What if they ask about me? Like, where be you come from?
That's a fine question to prepare for. It's good to ready some basic answers about you.
Ready? You mean try them first?
Yes, you can stand before a mirror at home and try.
Okay, chatting with the mirror.
I can attempt that.
It aids a lot. You can try saying, "My name is Henry. I come from Brazil. I am a show host."
Hi, my name is Henry. I come from Brazil. I am a show host.
Yes, great. If you try it, then when someone asks, the words come easy and you feel very sure.
That's a fine thought. I won't need to hunt for words. I'll be set.
Right. Being set boosts self-assurance a lot.
Okay, so I know starting a chat, but how do I finish one? I don't want to be mean.
Finishing a chat nicely is a key skill. It's simple too.
I can't just leave fast.
Please don't leave fast. You can say a basic kind phrase like, "What can you say? It was nice to see you." Or, "It was good chatting with you."
Oh, both were very nice. It was good chatting with you. I like that.
It's great. And after that, you can say, "Enjoy a great day."
Enjoy a great day. That's so kind.
It is. And then give one final grin and walk off. A perfect, sure end to your chat.
Wow, Mia, these ideas are so useful. I feel I can go chat with someone now.
That makes me very glad to hear, Henry. And to all who listen, remember the first move is the toughest. Just be bold and say hello.
Yes, a basic hello, a kind grin, and an easy question. We all can do it.
And remember, errors are your pals.
Yes, I'll keep that in mind, my new pals. Well, I think that's all for this show today.
It is. We really hope these ideas help you feel sure when speaking English. Go try them.
Yes, and before leaving, remember to join our channel, Talkfinity English, so you catch our next show.
And if this show helped, give it a big like. It aids others find our show.
And last, please write a note for us. Share your top idea for feeling sure when speaking English. We love reading your notes. It's our best time of the week.
Thanks so much for hearing us.
Yes, thanks to all. See you soon. Goodbye now.